In Australia, strong winds have merged two enormous bushfires into a mega blaze spanning the states of New South Wales and Victoria. It's over 600,000 hectares in size.
After days of relative calm, soaring temperatures and gale-force winds have created dangerous conditions again. And there are 8 emergency-level fires burning across the country.
Emergency texts have been sent to nearly 250,000 people in Victoria, telling them to leave their homes. The military is on standby to help firefighters with conditions expected to worsen in the hours to come.
In Sydney and Melbourne, thousands took to the streets to demand that the government do more to tackle climate change. Australia experienced its hottest and driest year on record in 2019.
I can't even watch the news, because it's heartbreaking. It's our doing. If we kill Mother Earth, what have we got? Nothing,